Yeah, ready? Happy. You don't have to sing to yourself. Happy birthday to you.
Be careful of that.
Happy birthday to you.
Ah! It's doing sparks all over.
Happy birthday, dear Zayden. Here, get up here.
Parachuting.
Happy birthday to you. Make a wish and blow them all out.
Whoa.
What's up? What's up? What's
Hold on, I gotta turn this fan on.
Stay up. Alright.
Before the fire alarm hits
Yeah, let's put them in something little. I want to put them in the bottom.
Daddy bought you trick candles, huh? That don't light.
Alright. Is that funny or what?
Yeah. I did it. Oh,
Alright, there we go.
that was the big one. Where's the big one? I see it's a big mark.
Happy birthday, son.
Thank you.
I love
That's
you,
my
sweetie.
birthday.
I know.
Alrighty. Let's cut some cake.
Look at the cake.
Looks pretty cool. Wow, that's a lot of frosting.
I'm gonna eat it all up.
Yep, I believe you will.
Look over there. There's the candles.
Yep.
Alright. Which piece do you want?
Yep. There's candles.
This one.
All right.
This side.
Okay, watch your fingers.
Now how do I eat it?
Oh, with a fork. Mom, get your
Or your
fork.
hands. Whatever.
No, not your hand. You can
It's
use
his
your
birthday.
hands. It's your birthday.
You want a fork?
Or you can use a
Yeah,
fork.
my fork.
Try to get you one.